So now let's see creation and presentation of data frame. So how you can create and how you can present the data frame. So the data frame object can be created by passing a data in 2D format. So because it is two-dimensional array, so that's why we have to pass the data in 2D formats. So its syntax is, so first you have to import pandas as PD. This library you have to import with PD object. Next you will define the data frame objects. So any user defined name you can assign into the data frame objects. And next you have to use the PD object dot data frame because we want to create the data frame, so that's why we have data frame method. In series, if you want to create the series, so that's why you call PD dot series. So there we are creating data frame, so we will call the data frame, and then you can pass a 2D data structure in column. First you will pass the column sequence and then you can pass the index sequence. So this is the way of creating data frame. In data frame you can create a data frame by various methods by passing data values like 2D dictionaries, 2D array, series type object, another data frame object. So we have these type of methods by which we able to pass the data values. So that can be dictionary, from the dictionary, that can be from array, and that can be from series, or any data frame object we can also access for creating the data frame. So how you can create your program into data frame? Let's see the example. So creation of data frame from dictionary of list or ND array. So there I am creating a data frame with help of the dictionary. So first, what is the method for creating data frame? First you have to import the pandas as PD. So there I imported. First step is pandas as PD. So import panda as PD. Now there I am creating a dictionary. Into dictionary you can start with curly bracket. So there I will start dictionary from curly bracket. So first is key. What is key? So there is key is students, and there I assign more than one student's name. There is how many students name are there? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So total 6 students name are there, and there is marks. Next column is marks. So there I am assigning all 6 students marks. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So 6 students marks you have to assign. So this is once again key and its value, that is key value. Next key is sports and its values are these. So how many? 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So 6 key values are there. So I created dictionary with key values, students, mark, and sports. These all are the key, and its key values are these. So this is actually a dictionary, not in a data frame. So how you can convert that dictionary into the data frame? So first you will create the data frame object. So DTF name is representing data frame object. DT means data, F for frame. So that's why I am using their shortening DTF. So data frame object, that is user defined name. Any name you can use there. And after this, PD dot data frame and pass the dictionary. So that will convert into two-dimensional array. Clear? PD dot data frame. That method you have to call to convert any any value into the data frame. So there I am passing the dictionaries values, so that will convert into the data frame. So then we will execute the DTF, means DTF object. So the value we will get, the output we will get that. So there you can see the student name. These all are the student name, marks values and sports values, and its index 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So when you will never pass the index, so that can create automatically. So indexes are automatically generated 0, 1, 2, 3 because I did not pass any index value, so it will create it automatically. And you can see it is two-dimensional array. So this is your column index, student, marks and sports, and this is your row index 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So I think you all understood how you can create the data frame and how you can able to execute.